Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Super easy beginner acoustic guitar songs. Okay, today we're going to have a look at an absolute classic. I had a few requests for this one. We are going back, way back to the 1960s for the Bob Dylan classic, the wonderful All Along The Watchtower. Also obviously covered by the fantastic, wonderful Jimi Hendrix as well. As ever, we're doing a simple, easy guitar, acoustic guitar version of this one that is only going to use 3 chords. It's got A minor, G and F in this one. And as I always say in my videos, if you already know those chords comfortably, you may want to skip the video forward. The running order will come up on the screen. You may want to skip the video forward to simply playing the song, and you can jam along with me then just to get on with it. And also the classic Bob Dylan version does use a capo on the 4th fret for this one, cap on 4th, and the Jimi Hendrix version uses a capo on the 3rd fret, but we are going to play a nice easy beginner version with no capo, just open, using A minor, G and F. Okay, so let's get straight on. If you do need to brush up on your chords, let's start with the A minor. Okay, for this one you need to get your first finger on the 2nd string in the 1st fret. Next we need to hold down the 4th string in the 2nd fret, and next we need to hold down the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. There is your A minor, and we're trying to avoid hitting the bass E string up at the top there, just the 5 lower ones. Okay, there is your A minor. Okay, next up we've got a G. For this one you need to hold down the 5th string in the 2nd fret, you need to hold down the 6th string in the 3rd fret, and you need to hold down the 3rd fret, now the 1st string of the 3rd fret, right at the bottom there. There's your G, and for the G, it's all the strings we're hitting, strumming. Okay, and then F, this one is a little bit tricky. You might want to spend a bit of time on this if you're really starting out, because for the F, you need to try to hold down the 1st and the 2nd string on the 1st fret. Okay, with your first finger, so that's 2 strings with 1 fret, and then you need to hold down the 3rd string in the 2nd fret, and you need to hold down the 4th string in the 3rd fret. Okay, there is your F. Okay, so as always, if you really are starting out, you might want to try just gently strumming those strings, chords, and just practice going through them until you can change a little bit quickly between the chords and you're comfortable with them. Okay, but let's get straight on and try jamming the song together. And as I always do in these videos, now you know them by now, but I always hum the tune, so you'll have to excuse the singing. But let's just try going through this one. And also what I want to do is, just for a nice easy strumming pattern, we can try down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, and if you're really starting out, you might want to just do really just down strokes, as simple as that. Okay, but what we basically need for this one is just A minor, G and F, F, G and then an A minor, G and then an F, F, G and then an da 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 da, A, G and then an F, da 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 da. Too much confusion, G and then A, can't get no release. Down, up, A, G and then an F, F, G and then all along the watchtower. Do, 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 do. And that is literally the whole song, just carries on like that. And like I said, the Bob Dylan classic uses a capo on the 4th fret. The wonderful Jimi Hendrix version uses a capo on the 3rd fret to play along with Jimmy. But that's as simple as it, just repeats that the whole way through. So brush up your singing, try singing along. Hopefully you'll get it a little better than my version there. But give it a try, it'll sound great. All the best, and see you again soon for more easy beginner songs on the acoustic guitar with Ben Golding Guitar. As always, please like and subscribe if you enjoy the lessons, and I'll see you soon for more great tunes. Thank you and bye.